Come here, baby. I'll give you a hand. Come here. There's no one watching. Come here.
No, it doesn't go on in the video.
Oh, that cow's watching. Turn her eye. Turn her eye. Nothing to see.
Previously on 2 Up Travel Suzuki Adventures, we travelled the beautiful Lions Road from Queensland back into New South Wales. We lost the plot at the Border Range Lookout, signed up for some yoga at the community hall, and shared an awesome salad sanger at Kyogle.
Okay, yummy salad sandwich at Kyogle. Onward to casino. 30 Ks. Get some fuel. Oh, look at that. A big bush turkey.
Hey, we saw a big thing. Big thing, big bush turkey. Summerland Way. Casino bound. Get some fuel. Armidale Rd, here we go. Nymboida. I wonder if Boida still lives at Nymboida. Wow, there you go.
And the times are changing fast.
I'll stop here at the church so I can say a prayer. See that cloud cover ahead, Sue? Bit worried that might beat us to Ebor. It's supposed to be coming this way. Avoid a village. Should try and get in front of this one, actually. This is Ben's. Oh no, it's going to be windy for the next 14 Ks. How terrible. Does it go 100? Oh shit, 35. Oh, this van guy he's hooting. I think we're up on the tablelands. the eye of the potholes. I think that's the end of the Nymboida fun bits. Wait, there's more. I know one thing for sure, it does seem very dark. That's where the sun should be coming from, it's behind all that cloud. And we were sweating and sticking hot, it's bloody icy at the moment. I think it have to be about, I don't know, 14 wind chill down to 10. Well, here we are on Bald Hills Road, starting to question our choices. Well, that other car turned down here, Suze. So, might be a good sign, but I don't know. Just feels like a very Garmin-ish bloody Detour. Yeah. Hop off.
Oh man. Where are we?
It has just taken us on, like, for no reason.
I mean, it's a lovely road. The ox would have loved it.
Well, seriously, there's no reason. Like, that road went to it. Okay.
Does this road go to it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just it comes around. It's just a little bit longer, but anyway.
Man, my butt is like dead. And like seriously, so much pain.
What did you say, baby?
I was like, oh god, it's gotta be over soon. Okay. What's this road called? Bald Hills Road.
Bald Hills Road. It's just a little side thingy.
It's lovely. It's a lovely
It
road.
is.
I'm not real thrilled about that big rain cloud there, but anyway. I think we'll get it.
It's heaps nicer with your visor up. Oh my god.
I
The
know,
visor
it's-
down, it just like feels
Yeah, well that's the problem with the Iridium the visors, is that everything seems like it's like 7 o'clock at night. In actual fact, it's still daylight.
Yeah. Yeah, well they do say they're for track use only. Come here, baby, I'll give you a hand. Come here. There's no one watching. Come here.
No, this is going in the video.
Oh, that cow's
Okay.
watching. Turn her away. Turn her away. Nothing to see.
Alright. Alright, babe. How's your day?
Good day.
Had a couple of mishaps.
Yes, we had a couple of mishaps. That one's still going. That's a good news story.
Yeah, this is a GoPro that flung off at about probably 100 k's an hour on the Cunningham Highway and nearly got run over by a big truck and 3 cars, but the cars saw it, I think, so they stopped. And the other bad news story is Michael's taken his glasses off and lost them, so I might call the Caltex at casino and see if somebody's handed them in.
We should.
I will.